To understand spring, one activity we can do is to calibrate a spring balance. So when there's no load, we mark here as 0 gram. Then what we can do is we load it with a 50 gram mass. Then now we mark this point as 50. And of course we can later measure this distance and mark another 4 points to indicate 10, 20, 30, 40. Right? Let's have one more weight. So we'll load another one. Load another mass. So this is another 50 gram. So this point will be 100. So now we divide this distance by 5. Then we mark 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then we have almost calibrated this spring balance. And now in order to, let's say I want to measure the mass of this mouse, what I can do is just hang this mouse here. Yeah. And from here I know that the mass of the mouse is about 95 gram or close to 100 gram.